Hello, we're diving into the world of houseplants, specifically, the pothos plant. This low-maintenance beauty is a favorite for indoor gardening due to its easy growth and beautiful appearance. So, let's get started on some tips for nurturing your pothos. 1. Lighting. Pothos thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight as it can cause scorched leaves. Place your plant near an east or west-facing window where it can get enough light without being in the sun's direct glare.
2. Watering. Pothos doesn't like to be overwatered but doesn't need to be watered excessively either.
Once a week is usually enough. Make sure to let the soil dry out between waterings so your plant doesn't suffer from root rot. 3. Fertilizer. Feeding your pothos once a month with a balanced fertilizer can help it grow faster and stay healthy. However, during winter, when growth is slower, you might want to cut back on feeding to avoid overloading the plant with nutrients it can't use at that time. 4. Pruning. Keep your pothos looking tidy by pruning it regularly. This will encourage bushier growth and prevent it from becoming spindly. You can propagate the cuttings for new plants or just enjoy their beauty indoors. 5. Temperature. Pothos loves warmth, but doesn't like extreme heat or cold drafts. Keep your plant in a room with stable temperatures between 60–85 F15–29 C. Remember, every plant is unique, so don't be disappointed if yours grows at a different rate than someone else's. If you found these tips helpful and want more insights into indoor gardening, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Happy growing!